What do you know, guys? You think you're ready to be moved today? You're making that place look kind of gross. How's it going, y'all? It's week 7 for our meat birds, and they're all looking pretty good. Let's see how they weigh. Alright, let's get the smallest one of you. Is that gonna be you? Well, even the smallest one is growing a little bit. Up another pound, 5.5 pounds. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that swing. This one's already up to 8 pounds. That's our target mark. Yeah, Rach said some of these might be ready to butcher in a couple days here. She's been super sweet, and she's been taking over feeding these guys while I've been sick. But you can see the huge span there still is. There's just so much variance. It's bugging my OCD a little bit. I know they're all roughly the same age, so I'd like them to all be the same size roughly, but that's just not realistic. But that's okay. That'll allow us to, like we did with the previous batch of birds, that allow us to sort of stifle the butchering a little bit and butcher them in batches rather than just try to get them all butchered in the span of a few days before they get too big. They need to be moved. And they're quickly running out of patches of grass. They're just demolishing the grass so much more quickly. I am trying to still replenish the grass that over on the first paddock where they were when we started them out here. And it's finally making a recovery, but we've got a couple more patches, I think.
Hey guys, hold on. Hold on, honey. Hey guys, you need to back up. Come on, move. Oh, hold on. Go back. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hold on, Justine. They're not running the mouth. Oh, you guys. Oh, yeah. See the feed? See the feed?
Hey!
There we go. There we go, honey. Come on. You guys walk. You're almost there. Maybe a little bit more. Come on, you guys. Keep going. Keep moving. Hold on, honey. Okay, there we go. A little bit better.
Are we there yet?
Until maybe a touch more. I think that looks pretty darn good. What do you think? Looks like there's some fresh grass.
And that does it for our week 7 update. These guys are, they're growing so quickly, and they're so super lazy. Like, we just barely moved them to a new paddock, and we were just, it was a fight every step of the way to get some of these lazier ones to move so the tractor wouldn't run them over. Some of them are already up to weight. Be sure to check back again for our week 8 update. This flock may very well be smaller by then because I don't really feel like letting those ones that have already made weight, I don't feel like making them wait much longer. We'll see where we're at on week 8. Thanks for joining us again for another one of these updates. And we always look forward to hearing from you guys in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to give it the old thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You know, that can't hurt either. And we'll see you again for the next video. Take it easy.